All right, so I had to do a video about this. So earlier today, I got the wild hare to build a fire, and alas, we don't have a fireplace. So what I did is I went to a local store and I just got a small grill, and I picked up some wood and I just stuck it on the grill, and I'm sitting here, knee brace and all. And I am enjoying being outside for the first time today, and not very many times in the past month. But it's nice to be back outside. So it's very Christmassy next to this fire right now. So I'm enjoying the fire, no doubt. And very picturesque. Something about the soothingness of a fire always brings my mind to equilibrium. So anyway, I wanted to do this fire, and I'm here. Let's go. Let's just get down. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. And once again, we have the fire, so I'm really excited about that fire. Guys, do you see this bird that just walked up to me? Check this out. Look at this guy. He's awesome. Look at the awesomeness of the animal. Maybe he wants to get warm. It's kind of a brisk day. He eats fish. That's a blue heron. Quite an amazing animal, right? That's a freedom bird. That bird is meant to be on this video right now. That bird is going viral, baby. That bird. Let's get back on this bird. Let's go. Come on. Let's get down. It's your stage, bro. Quite an amazing bird. Yeah, he's like mouthing off. Like, yeah, I know it. Look at me walk. Checking out these fools out here. Make sure there's no one else out here on my bulkhead. I own this spot. It's my spot. Yes. Anyway, I'm really glad he came out to visit. That was unexpected. That's like my weather bird. Up, up, up. Check him out. Stealthy. You know, just waiting. Stealthy guy. The fire's over here. I'm thinking that somehow he knows he needs to show out. So like maybe he needs to fly off and spread his wings or something. I don't want to walk towards him because I don't want to like sketch him out or nothing. What you gonna do, bro? Absolutely gorgeous animal. I would get up and walk towards him, but I like hobble on one leg. Oh, let's see if I can do this on this one leg. I'm kidding you not. Like, oh, sorry, I didn't even mean to do that. That was a freedom moment. That was a freedom moment. Adios. Take care. See you next time. Let's go. Come on. Freedom.